Hey guys, this is Pedro from Manfrotto, and today we're going to take a look at the new Befree Series, Manfrotto's premium range of compact travel tripods. Now, aside from their lightweight construction, these top-performing tripods are designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Befree family is split into three categories: Advanced, Live, and GT, all carefully crafted in Italy. Here we have the Befree Advanced aluminum twist lock model. With its sturdy construction and quick setup design, the Befree Advanced gives you the freedom to focus on your subject and not have to worry about your gear. The Befree features the 200 PL Pro, a solid aluminum plate capable of fitting both the RC2 and Arcus Swiss type plate attachment. The greaseless inner ring keeps your gear clean and smooth. The large knob on the side allows you to easily adjust both the vertical and horizontal axes of the head position, while the inner friction system permits you to regulate the tension of movement for fine-tuning. Once you've set the head position, an independent knob allows you to make fine pan adjustments, ideal for landscapes. The head is designed to make it easy to go into portrait mode. At the top of the spider, you'll find an ergonomic ring that allows you to extend the column for height adjustments. The entire Befree range comes with 3/8" adapters built into the tripod. This makes it possible to add external accessories such as Manfrotto's Magic Arm. And with anti-rotation technology, the Befree makes sure your gear stays safely in place. The hook on the side is ideal for hanging items you may need, or to add additional weight to your rig. Pulling down on the ergonomic side pull lever while slightly pushing in the leg releases it for quick adjustment. The Befree Advanced comes with 3 preset leg angle positions. This gives you greater versatility while shooting outdoors. A cushioned leg grip allows you greater stability when moving your rig, and some relief from cold tripod legs in the winter. The specialized foot design allows you to get true grip at varying angles on different surfaces. Some people prefer a twist lock, while others prefer a lever. The Befree Advanced offers you top performance in both models. The M-Lock is a sturdy, quick setup design, while the QPL lever is a professional lever adapted for travel. Now for videographers, the Advanced also comes in a super compact video head, the Befree Live. With its fluid drag system, it offers high-quality video even from its compact size. The Befree Live comes with a flagship Manfrotto 501 PL plate system. When it clicks, you know it's safe. By releasing the pan and tilt knobs, Befree Live offers a fixed fluid drag system for getting those creamy smooth shots. One really interesting feature of the Befree Live is the reverse half ball on top of the leveling column, which lets you quickly fix the head angle. And with its bubble level, the Befree Live makes precision accuracy easy to achieve. So with its lightweight design and fluid drag system, the Befree Live is really an ideal solution for travel videographers and vloggers. Now, when weight is a consideration, both the Befree Live and the Befree Advanced are featured in a carbon fiber model. The carbon fiber models are a real bonus. The same high-level performance from a lighter frame. This allows you to save your energy for the moments when it really counts, or bring along an extra piece of equipment for those unique shots. So if you're a professional photographer and you need maximum performance for your DSLR and long lenses, the Befree GT is the ultimate solution. Measuring just 43 centimeters with thicker legs and a more robust head, the Befree GT will still fit into travel luggage. It offers all the great features from the Befree Advanced range. The difference here is the increased stability for heavier camera setups. The Befree GT is the sturdiest model in the range, yet still travel-sized. The perfect balance between portability and performance for professional travel photographers. Next up, we have one of Manfrotto's most versatile tripod kits, the Befree 2-in-1. This sturdy aluminum-bodied tripod kit offers all the great features of the Befree range, but also converts quickly and easily into a monopod. Simply disengage the dedicated locking mechanism on the leg with the cushion grip. Next, unscrew the cap from under the column to release it from the tripod body. Then, screw it back into place and attach the monopod leg. It's that simple. The Befree 2-in-1 is a full-sized convertible tripod to monopod kit, offering a 5 kilo maximum payload capacity. This makes it ideal for use with your mirrorless camera setups. The Befree 2-in-1 comes with the Manfrotto 200PL plate and is offered in both the twist and lever lock models to suit your preference. So if you're looking to push the limits on travel photography or videography, whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, Manfrotto's premium line of travel tripods covers all your needs. For more information on these products, please check out our website.